This is Jeff with the Malco Group, and today we're going to do a step-by-step install of the new Silent Plus Mini White. Let's get started. For this type of install, we've taken the cover off the mini split. This allows us to get easy access to the drain line. The new Silent Plus Mini White and Standard Mini White come with a wall template on the box that you can cut out and use to simplify the installation. So now we're running our wires through the mini split to get it out of the way. We've measured and cut our drainage tube and our 1/4 inch vinyl tubing that's running to the outside so that they are properly installed. Now that you've connected your hoses, you're going to want to make sure the pump is level before securing to the wall. Always make sure to hand tighten versus using a drill. You're going to want to reference the manufacturer install guide before wiring up your pump. In this situation, we have a white wire in terminal 1, a red wire in terminal 2, and a green wire in terminal 3. To start, we will be connecting our black wire with our gray wire and connecting it with a wire nut to the white terminal 1 wire. You then want to take your purple wire and replace it into terminal 1. You're going to want to take your 1 amp fuse and wire nutting it to the red wire from the pump and then connecting it alongside the red wire already in terminal 2. Finally, you're going to want to tuck all the wires in and reinstall the faceplate. The last thing we're going to talk about is how to test your pump. First, you're going to want to turn on the power and then using a spray bottle with some water, spray water into the drain pan, allowing the pump to cycle, ensuring that all your connections are secure and everything's running smoothly. Finally, we'll attach the spacer to complete the install. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, reach out to the Malco Group or your local rep.